video, we will learn how to make a paper boat. To make a paper boat, we need square shape of paper. I using blue, you can use any color. This is a square, and square has 4 sides, 4 corners. Each sides are equal. First we turn it from this side and make a rectangle. Now it's a rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 sides are bigger than others. Now we make a small square out of this. Turn like this and we make a small square. 4 sides, 4 corners, 4 sides are equal. You can see there are 4 layers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we turn one layer to another side and 3 layers on other side and make a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides, 3 corners. Now you can open it and make a cap. Now you have to press it like this and make a diamond, 4 sides, 4 corners. Hold it like this and open it like this and press it to make a boat. Your boat is ready for swim in water. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe and like my channel. Bye. See you soon. Bye. Thanks for watching. Thank you.